We have 50 kids over there and we are going to feed them cooked meal. I'm going to pick up the food from a restaurant partner that we have. The restaurant partner is also very nearby. So I'll just book an Uber and I'll go and pick up the food. Instead of the food getting waste, we focus on that it gets picked up timely. This Uber partnership has helped us with timely pickups. It has helped us with volunteer availability. Those people who were available but did not have a transport or could not find a transport nearby their houses or anywhere, they just pick up their phones and in just one click they can book Uber and pick up the food and give it to the needy before it gets rotten.
मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि ये रॉबिन हुड आर्मी जो है ये सामने आई है और पब्लिक को खाने से पानी से सपोर्ट कर रही है। हमने देखा और जाना भी, तो मेरे को भी अच्छा लगा और मैं भी सपोर्ट किया, टाइम दे सका और हो सके तो नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि टाइम दे सकूँ।
When I go out on the street, I see small kids, I see old people who are hungry. I can see hunger in their eyes. What as an individual I can do is feed them. And Robin Hood Army gives me that medium to feed the people. This Uber partnership has bridged a very big gap between RHA, the food, and the underprivileged. It's very easy now for us to deliver food very quickly and very easily.